Well, Mets fans, 'tis the season as it's almost about time for pitchers and catchers to report. So I want you to check out my Etsy store where I have OMG signs. I've got World Series banners. I got NLCS banners. I've got retired numbers. David Wright was just added to it. This is the 6-inch variant. I also have these in 8.5. The banners are 8 by 10 or just a smidge under. We've got OMG signs. Hopefully Iglesias comes back, but check it out. I'll put the link in the description below. Also, it's in my bio, super3dtalk.etsy.com. Check it out. Now, you Yankee fans, if you're listening, I got some stuff for you too. Check out the next video.